roughly 2/3 of the population clench and grind their teeth, and this can cause significant joint pain and tooth pain. And a very easy solution is a night guard. It's a clear plastic piece that's placed on usually your upper teeth, and prevents clenching and grinding. It gives considerable relief. Now, some people will go to the drugstore and they'll find an apparatus that they can boil in water, and in my opinion, that even promotes grinding. They're spongy and people like to chew on them. They're huge and bulky and very uncomfortable, but if properly made, custom fit to the teeth, can be a huge benefit to people that have this problem. I'm Dr. William Peterson. I have an office in Clayton, Missouri in the Parkway Tower building. I've been a dentist for over 30 years. To make an appointment, call 314-727-4131.